In this video, I want to show you how to connect your iPhone 17 to a Bluetooth speaker, no matter which brand it is. So step number one is actually to take your Bluetooth speaker, power it on, and put it in pairing mode. Depending on which brand you have, it will be slightly different. On this model over here, I simply need to keep press the power button to power it on. And then I need to press the pairing button. On your model, it will probably be slightly different. So once it's in pairing mode, you're going to take your iPhone 17. You're going to find the settings icon. Okay, this is settings. You're going to keep press on it. Select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and it will search for all the available devices. Here we go. Headrush is the name of my Bluetooth speaker. I'll tap on it. Wait a few seconds. It's currently connecting. All right, and it has been connected. I see over here it is, and it says connected. I can go ahead, open any music. Let's go on YouTube, watch a movie, and the sound will come out of here. Now, if let's say you want to stop the sound to come out of your Bluetooth speakers, so it comes out of the speakers of your iPhone, you simply have to go back over here into the Bluetooth settings, click the eye icon beside your Bluetooth speakers and select disconnect. This is it. Now the sound will come out of the speakers of your iPhone. If you want to completely remove your Bluetooth speakers from your iPhone to unpair it forever, simply click the eye icon, forget this device, forget, and here you go, it disappeared. Next time you want to use them together, you'll have to pair them again. This is only something you're going to do when you want to resell your speaker or when you don't want to use it anymore with your phone ever. If you want to get a Bluetooth speakers from Amazon, I'll put a link down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.